Hey kids, we are learning some ocean vocabulary today. Let's begin. Fish, fish, fish. The fish is swimming. Shark, 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 shark. The shark swims fast. Whale, 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 whale. The whale is very big. Octopus, 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 octopus. The octopus has 8 arms. Crab, crab, crab. The crab walks sideways. Shell, 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 shell. I found a shell on the beach. Boat, 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 boat. The boat is on the water. Wave, wave, wave. The waves splash loudly. Sand, 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 sand. The sand feels soft. In dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. The dolphin can jump high. Great job, kids. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.